Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change opacity in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have added my video to this project. Then I'm going to show you how we can change the opacity of this video. First of all, we can tap on the video, and then we're going to go to the basic and scroll down until you find the blend option, and you're going to click on this little arrow to show the blend menu. Okay, and here as you can see, we'll be able to customize the opacity of our video. If you want to make it more transparent, you can go left like this, or you can also change the opacity right here by clicking on this arrow like this. But to make it faster, I recommend you to use the slider. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change opacity in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!